Everybody, welcome to our online class. Today we'll begin with the Indian financial markets. Okay, we'll begin with the meaning of finance. See, finance is said to be lifeblood of all human activities. Finance means money or to provide money or funds as and when it is needed. So in broad sense, finance refers to what? Funds or monetary resources needed by individuals, business houses and government. Okay, next comes is financial system. See, it is a set or a group of interrelated institutions and mechanism which deals with the management of public money. So the main function of financial system is what? Collection of funds from the savers and their distribution to the needy. Okay. Next comes is the definition of financial system. See, the definition is like this: a set of institutions, instruments, markets and services which foster savings and channel them to their most efficient use. So from this definition, it is clear that the term financial system draws our attention to some components like the constituents or components of the financial institutions or the financial system, then structure and its aspects, then interrelationship and arrangements or the mechanism, and the role played or functions performed by the system. Okay, next comes is characteristics or the features of financial system. The first one is capital formation. See, the financial system helps for the capital formation by mobilizing what? Savings and making the investments. Next comes is integrated system. See, it is an interrelated system where its components operate in cooperation with each other. Okay. The next is organized financial markets. That is, it has an existence of organized or a full set of rules and regulated financial market which consists the capital market and the money market. Next comes is regulated and controlled. See, the financial system is regulated and controlled by what? Regulatory authorities like SEBI, RBI and more. Okay, next comes is financial services. See, it renders what? Financial services, different financial services which helps the individuals and the industries or the government to reach their goal. Okay, next comes is it consists of all financial institutions, instruments, markets as well as the financial services. Okay. Next comes is objectives of the financial system. Objective means what are the goals of the financial system. The first one is mobilization of financial resources by establishing link between the savers and the users of the finance. See, the main objective of financial system is what? Mobilizing or allocating or accepting the savings and directing them towards the industrial, agricultural and service sectors for the productive purposes. Next comes is providing liquidity to financial instruments. See, providing liquidity means nothing but to get the cash or to convert the products into the cash. Okay, so this can be achieved through what? The mechanism of the ready, continuous and well organized financial markets. So securities can be bought and sold regularly in the markets, thereby it provides what? The fair and the good amount of the liquidity. Okay, next comes is reduction of cost of finance through the medium. So reduction of cost of finance through the medium means the financial institutions and the financial intermediaries provides what? Finance to the needy entrepreneurs at lower cost or at a moderate cost and increases the returns to the savers by efficient functioning. So they also provide what? Efficient and quick financial services at a lower cost. So this is what? It reduces the cost of the finance. Okay. Next comes is promotion of efficient and equitable allocation of financial resources. Okay, to the financial resources, the financial sectors of the economy, they make what? Investments of the funds not only in the industrial or a most profitable sector but also in the agricultural, social and the economical developments. So this helps for what? The equitable allocation of the financial resources among the different sectors of the society. Okay. Next comes is what? Regulation and control of risks in mobilization of resources and their allocations through the system of regulatory authorities. That is, it provides what the regulation and the control of the risks which are raised in the financial system with the help of the regulatory authorities. Next is providing information. It provides what reliable and required information to all the players operating in the financial markets. Okay, next comes is functions of financial system. See, financial system plays a significant role in the economic development of a nation. So it performs some functions through its components, okay, in order to achieve what? The objectives. So what are those functions? We'll understand one by one. First one is linking surplus and deficit spending units. Okay, see, there are some areas or people with surplus funds as well as those with the deficit funds. That is, surplus funds is nothing but the one who is having excess money after paying their expenses. Okay, so whatever the money remains, they would like to save them with the some institutions so that they can get the profits on their savings. And there are some people who are with a deficit of the money, who are in a need of the money. So the financial system functions as an intermediary and facilitates the flow of funds from the areas of surplus to those of a deficit. Okay, next comes is helps in capital formation. The main function of any financial system is to mobilize the savings of persons and to deploy or invest them in the economy in a planned manner. Okay, so this leads to the three stages, that is savings, finance and the investment. Now savings means it mobilizes the excess income of the individuals, business houses and the government. Then it creates the finance by collecting the savings and placing them in the hands of the investors for the investment. Then investing is nothing but the whatever the collected funds will be there, those funds will be invested for economic purposes. Okay, then next comes is providing payment and settlement system. Okay, a financial system provides what? An effective payment system for exchange of goods and the services. See, the payment facility through checks, promissory notes, credit and the debit cards are available in the financial system so that everyone can get the payment for their services. Next comes is monitor corporate performance. A financial system is not only funding for industrial investment but also it is monitoring the performance of the investments. That is, its subsystems of financial institutions like banks and financial markets like stock exchanges helps to monitor what? Corporate performances. Next comes is managing the risks. That is, a well-developed financial system offers a wide variety or a very huge varieties of financial instruments so that the investor can invest in different instruments to reduce the risk of loss. Okay, the risk of reduction is achieved either by diversifying the investments or by holding the holding the diversifications, or by also it can be achieved by the hedging and the derivatives. Next comes is providing the price information. A financial system provides price related information which is a valuable assistance to those who need to take financing decisions and investment decisions. Financial markets information about, it gives information about existing interest rates and the securities, not only for the individuals in making their savings and investment decisions but also to the management of the business firm in deciding about choice of investment projects and funding. Okay, next comes is what? A financial system offers portfolio adjustment facilities. Here portfolio adjustment facilities means services of providing a quick, cheap and reliable way of buying and selling a huge variety of financial assets. Okay, next comes is reduces the cost of transactions. See, a financial system facilitates in a creation of financial structure that lowers the cost of transactions. This has a beneficial influence on the rate of returns to savers. So it also reduces the cost of borrowings. So thus the system generates an impulse among the people to save time. Next comes is promoting the process of financial deepening and broadening. Okay, see here Financial deepening and broadening means what is, first we'll understand the financial deepening. It increases the financial assets, okay, then in percentage of what, gross domestic product. Then the financial broadening means what, building or increasing the number and variety of participants and the instruments. Next comes is selects the projects to be funded financially. It helps in selecting the projects of borrowers to be financed by monitoring and guiding the performance of the investments. It helps for making the investments in productive projects. Next comes is provides liquidity to gain financial assets or the instruments. See, a sound financial system provides or performs an equally important function of providing quick liquidity to the financial assets through the process of ready financial markets and services of intermediaries. Next comes is provides reliable and detailed information. That is, it makes available to the savers, investors and borrowers price related reliable information and thus helps them to take viable or correct economic and financial decisions. Next comes is, that is last one is upgradation of the technologies. Financial system acts as a middleman between the allocation of the resources and productive projects. So it permits entrepreneurs to concentrate on upgradation of technologies for the promotion of a sustained growth instead of worrying about as how to get funds. Okay, these are what regarding the functions of the financial system. So the remaining topics we'll discuss in the next class.